Managing chronic cough and throat irritation. Managing chronic cough and throat irritation involves several key strategies. First, identifying and addressing the underlying cause is crucial, which may include allergies, acid reflux, or respiratory conditions. Secondly, lifestyle modifications, such as avoiding irritants like smoking and pollutants, can help. Medications may be prescribed depending on the diagnosis. Regular follow-ups with a healthcare provider are essential to track progress and make necessary adjustments to the treatment plan. Book your appointment at ENT Care and General Hospital.